you think you can still make it to the top this time?
Hi everyone, I'm Easy.
Hi everyone, I'm Xiao Xiao and welcome to Waya Kids Lab.
Today we're building a remote control race car.
Science is so much fun.
Let's build it together.
Let's get started. Step 1. Assemble the remote controller. Done. Step 2. Install the race car frame. We also need the battery pack. Now connect the black wire to black and the red wire to red. Slide on the insulating caps. Now we need to attach a gear. Now connect the blue and green wires to the motor. Then secure it with a 4mm pin. Now attach the side panel of the car. Now fasten them with 7mm screws. Secure the antenna. Now attach the upper rear panel. Done. Step 3. Install the wheels. There is also a pulley here. Press it firmly into place. Finally, put the belt onto the pulley. Done. Install the batteries.
Why can the remote make the race car go forward and backward?
Because the remote sends a signal and the car receives it.
But I can't see the signal.
That is right. It is not something we can see.
Yup, it is invisible.
Go forward. Can it make it up?
It made it. Brother, does that mean the signal can go on forever?
No, the range usually depends on how strong the signal is. Let's make the ramp steeper and see if it can power its way up. What are you doing?
Brother, why is it making that squeaky noise?
Because the gear slipped out of place.
Success! If you like this video, remember to subscribe and follow us. See you next time. Bye-bye.